Stavros, are you full now? Are you full? You've had hot dogs today instead of fish fingers. They ran out of fish fingers in the shop. So you had hot dogs, are they alright? I wouldn't eat them myself, being a non-meat eater, but I guess you're allowed. It's amazing you're managing to spend some quiet moments on my kitchen windowsill without the others driving away. You good boy. Are you full now? Yes? Are you full? Are you full? Good boy. You've got lots of dark markings on your head now, haven't you, for the winter? Yep. 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 I've got to have my lunch now, okay? Got to have my lunch. You've had yours. I'll see you later maybe, alright? Catch you later. You can stay there and chat if you want. Okay? Okay? Good boy.